In this video, we will see RLC, that is resistor, capacitor and inductor voltage and current relationship in time domain and in frequency domain, which is also called as phasor domain. So for resistor, voltage is equal to resistance into current. This is in time domain, and we know that for resistor the voltage and current are in phase. Current I is equal to Im cos omega t plus phi, where Im is the maximum current, cos represents that it's a cosine waveform, omega is the angular frequency, t is the time in second, and plus this phi represents phase angle. So this is in time domain format. Now for resistor, the voltage and current relationship in frequency domain or phasor domain format will be capital V is equal to I into R, that is voltage is equal to current into resistance. Now for inductor, inductor is represented by L. So here the voltage and current relationship in time domain is V is equal to L di by dt. And we know that I is equal to Im cos omega t plus phi. So here if we substitute this value of I in here, then we have to do the derivative of this. The derivative of this will be omega, then this will be minus, in place of this cos this will be minus sign, but here we have written omega, this L as it is, then this Im as it is. Now in place of it should be minus sign, but we have substituted cos. So what we did, we added 90 degree to it. So this become then the standard equation. So therefore after simplifying this, the final formula will look something like this: voltage is equal to omega L Im cos omega t plus phi plus 90 degree. Now in case of inductor, the current lags voltage by 90 degree, or we can say voltage leads current by 90 degree. Here we can see in frequency domain V is equal to j omega L I. This j represents that voltage leads current by 90 degree. For capacitor, here we can see V is equal to I divided by j omega c. Now if we take this 1 by j, it will be minus j. That means it represents voltage lags current by 90 degree, or we can say it will be current leads voltage by 90 degree. Now let's go to the capacitor for time domain format. So in time domain, current is equal to, this is the relationship between voltage and current for capacitor. So I is equal to C dV by dt, and we know that V is equal to Vm cos omega t plus phi. Now if we substitute this voltage value here, then we have to take the derivative of this. Then after simplifying and adding 90 degree, it will become a standard equation. Now in frequency domain, this will be V is equal to I divided by j omega c. So just remember all of these formulas. Once more, let's revise it. For resistor, V is equal to R into I, that is voltage is equal to resistance into current. This is in time domain format. So this will be smaller, and also this will be, this current I will be in smaller. So I is equal to Im cos omega t plus phi. For resistor, the voltage and current are in phase. For frequency domain, V is equal to I into R. Now for inductor, we know that I is equal to Im cos omega t plus phi, and the voltage and current relationship is given by V is equal to L di by dt. If we substitute this current value here, then we have to take the derivative. If we take derivative, then this will be minus sign form, but if we add plus 90 degree to it, then it will become cos. So the final voltage equation or voltage and current relation will be V is equal to omega L Im cos omega t plus phi plus 90 degree. This is in time domain format, and in frequency domain format V is equal to j omega L I. For capacitor in time domain, we know that voltage is equal to V is equal to Vm cos omega t plus phi, and current I is equal to C dV by dt. If we substitute this voltage value here, then we have to take the derivative of this. Again, this cos will become minus sign, but here we have to add 90 degree to it to make it cosine form. So the final current and voltage relationship will be I is equal to omega C Vm cos omega t plus phi plus 90 degree. And for frequency domain, V is equal to I divided by j omega C. So remember all of these formulas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.